Savannah is a hidden gem. The way that the squares are laid out are just like perfect symmetry. You see all of the Victorian style houses, beautiful homes that has stood test of time.
There is this energy, the cobblestone, the dripping Spanish moss, the years and years of history. You feel it all here.
Savannah is a port city, and every day you walk around and you meet people who have been born and raised here in generations. And then the next guest is, from Chicago or New York or Seattle. And that's what makes this community that much more dynamic.
Savannah is home to me because these are my roots. These are my people.
When they were here, someone actually said hi to them on the street.
Oh,
yeah.
I know, right? Like you can do stuff here that you don't see
Those subtle
everywhere.
nuances that
Yeah.
just, man, I appreciate that. My name is Jawan Platt. I'm a partner at Backyard, and I'm from Savannah, Georgia. I'm in marketing, so it's all about just telling your story. We're making sure creative technology companies are coming to Savannah. No matter where I am, I'm building Savannah's community. When I get back home, I realize how energized I am to create. The people who designed this place were intentional, and they saw hundreds of years down the road. The city was built by the hands of people that lived here. Every brick was laid with love. That narrative is something that I hold true to my heart. You feel the warmth of people, people help you here. That compassion, that empathy is here as soon as you cross the city limits. It's in the food, it's in the language, it's in the culture. It's a spiritual feeling.
Someone who does know somebody. Degrees of separation or however that
And
works.
food is always the glue to everything. And so,
Amen.
My name is Jason Restivo. I'm a restaurateur. I own Atlantic in Savannah, Georgia. We came out here to meet my father and my mother. So we made a little vacation out of it. We were here for about 2 weeks. And we drove around one day and we saw the price of real estate and we're like, oh my gosh, we need to move here. So it was really exciting. The house was built in 1899. Somebody made something out of their hands and now we get to enjoy it 125 years later. This is a home that we want to be in for a long time. So we walk around every day, we get to appreciate what somebody else did for all of us. We knew we wanted to be in the restaurant industry. We knew we wanted to open something, so we saw the opportunity here.
My name is Lauren Teague, and I am the executive chef at the Atlantic Restaurant here in Savannah. I've had the opportunity to come to Savannah to see where the food scene is getting better and be part of it from the beginning. I'm originally from New Jersey, and I'm just sort of pretending to be a Southern belle. So I have a great big piece of property, and we have motorcycles and ATV vehicles, and we slosh around the mud on Sundays and have barbecues. I just love all of it.
Absolutely. I love how you just said about the people. Everyone's so nice and so accommodating, so comfortable.
And everybody is so authentic. The city has an authentic beauty, and everybody's like this melting pot of personalities. There's just such a plethora of magic and love. My name is Tiffany Taylor. I'm a full-time artist. I've lived in Savannah, Georgia for 20 years. In Savannah, there is this magical alchemy that happens here. The history and all who have lived here before. So as an artist, I had this abundance of beauty, as well as so many other artists to collaborate with. Savannah is the place where magic and dreams collide. The Tiffany Taylor Gallery was originally the Savannah Morning News building. The city has protected the historic district, and so underneath our floors are actually the ink wells from the printing presses. What I love most about Savannah, there's this crumbling beauty and authenticity that you don't experience anywhere. The beautiful ironwork, the little hidden gardens, these beautiful mansions. This is the city where, as a 17-year-old girl, I came and lived on $2 a day and built my business from scratch. Without the kindness of the people in Savannah, and especially my Savannah College of Art Design family, my dreams would not have been realized. I really fell in love with every detail of Savannah.
It's a pleasure. Chef Lauren, thank you. Great to have you home. Keith, a pleasure to meet you. Great to sit next to you.
Here in Savannah, you're part of our family. You just walk through the courtyard, walk past the fire pit, walk in, Sam says hi to you, and you sit down.
You can contribute to the community, and the community is going to help you back.
What I love most about Savannah is seeing nature juxtaposed with historical beauty.
You walk through the streets, no longer connected to your phone, but you're like, oh my gosh, look how beautiful this is.
Anyone who comes here, they want to stay.